What's up YouTube? Gear with Amir here, coming at you with another video of some new gear that I recently picked up. Today we're going to be talking about the Streamlight ProTac Rail Mount HLX 1000 Lumen Light. So I recently purchased my first assault rifle, something I've been wanting for a long time. I enjoy going to the range. I enjoy, shooting outdoors. It's a fun pastime of mine. So I finally pulled the trigger, no pun intended, and picked up a new assault rifle. I went with the Daniel Defense DDM4 300 Blackout, the pistol. So it has the arm brace on it. It's not a full SBR. I think it's a 10.5-inch barrel, but really excited about it. I got it on the range first day and it was just, it was spot on. So really excited to get some new accessories for the rifle. And the first one that I picked up is this ProTac rail mount, since my my Daniel Defense rifle will be my new home defense gun. So if someone comes in at night, I do want to have a light so that I can see accordingly. And the reason I picked this one is it just had some really good reviews and it was pretty decently priced. It was only about $100 on Amazon, and it had pretty much everything I needed. It was bright, it can be mounted on my Picatinny rail, and it has a remote on it also. And it has a couple different options, so it can go high, it can go low, and you can do a strobe, and you got a couple options as well on the remote that you can utilize. But this video is to unbox it, so we'll check it out, and then also go through some of the features as well. So this is the box right here. It's pretty sturdy packaging. Comes with everything that you need. Has the rail mount, it has the batteries, it has the remote to attach to the Picatinny rail, everything you need to kind of get it all set up. So we'll go ahead and pop this open. So I'll go ahead and slide this out right here. In this top packaging, you have the battery, the two batteries, as well as the actual light. So we'll pop those out. And pop the two batteries out as well. So just pop the back off and then I can slide the batteries in. Now it comes with just a standard flashlight button on the back, but I'm gonna of course switch that out for the remote once I mount it onto the rifle. It also has the mount on the light as well, so I can go ahead and mount this onto my rifle, onto the Picatinny rail. And then after you got the batteries in, you can just pop it right on. It's quite bright, and I'm actually really excited about the brightness, as well as, like I said, some of the features that it has. So this is the actual flashlight right here. And then in the remaining package, you just have, the rest of the box, the some accessories to actually mount it. So you have two long zip ties, two short zip ties, some double-sided tape, as well as two Picatinny mounts for the Picatinny rail, so that you could put the remote on also. So this is the remote that will actually go on the rifle right here. So you can screw this onto the back, and then essentially it has a soft touch button, so you can just on off, and then one where you can actually click it. So and it's pretty sturdy build quality. I'm actually very pleased with how it feels, and then being able to mount it as well, so it'll be right on the top. So we'll actually go ahead and do that now. So I'll take off just the standard button and just walk through some of the light features as well. So you just pop the back off, and then you pop the remote right on, screw that on accordingly, and then you're good to go. So again, you have one hard button that leaves it on the entire time that the button is depressed, and then you have the soft touch button where you can just kind of click it on and off. As well as you have a few different settings. So the different settings that you have, it's gonna start with one that's right out of the box, is if you depress the hard button, it's a constant on and it's gonna be on high. So you click it, stays on high. As well as if you press the soft touch button, hold it down, it's gonna be high as well, so the high bin. If you double click it, you're gonna get a strobe. So double clicking the soft touch gives you a strobe. So those are gonna be your first options, or the first option out of the box. Either high, or strobe. Now if you do the 10 tap program, so if we tap through 10 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hold down till it turns off. Now it's all high. So if I press this hard button down, it's high. If I press the soft touch, it's high. Even if I double click, it's still high. So strobe is gone, it's only high. So that's your second setting. If we continue on, do the 10 tap again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold down till it turns off. Now it's gonna be low if you depress the hard button. Low if you hold down the soft touch. But if you double tap, you're gonna get high, all right? So it's pretty much low, high. Now, the last setting is just getting back to the original. So if I do it again 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hold down, wait till it turns off. I'm now back to high, strobe. And this is likely the setting that I'll use because I don't know if I'm gonna necessarily need a setting for low, because if someone's breaking in my house, I wanna put a light on them, I wanna see them, take them out. So this is probably the setting that I'll stick with, but you do have a couple options that you can utilize. So that is the gear for today. Now again, in the box you do have a little owner's manual as well that'll walk you through the programming and exactly what you need to do to get everything set up. But that is the ProTac Rim Mount HLX, again the 1000 Lumen, about $100 on Amazon. Excited to get this on my gun and try it out. So that's Gear with Amir. Thanks for checking out the video. If you liked everything, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right there. Give it a thumbs up. Feel free to hit the comments for any questions you got, but peace.